Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something hot. Quite literally, we're talking about the fire triangle. But what exactly is it and why is it so important? Let's break it down. First, we have fuel. This is any kind of combustible material like wood, paper, gasoline, or even certain metals. Without fuel, there's nothing to burn. Next up is heat. Heat is the energy required to increase the temperature of the fuel to the point where it can ignite. Sources of heat can include matches, friction, lightning, or even a focused beam of sunlight. Last but not least, oxygen. Fires need oxygen to sustain combustion. In most cases, this comes from the air around us. Without sufficient oxygen, a fire can't keep burning. When these three elements come together in the right conditions, you get fire. But here's the crucial part. If you remove any one of these elements, the fire will be extinguished. Understanding the fire triangle is not just for firefighters, it's essential for anyone to know for safety. Whether you're camping, cooking, or handling flammable materials, knowing how to prevent and extinguish fires can save lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next video.